wizard, Harry.
Okay, good evening everybody. I hope you all had a great day, a fantastic Wednesday. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Looks like Bitcoin is getting a move down as we speak, pushing into this golden pocket. I actually posted, what was it, on the 30-minute. We started losing our intraday VWAP here, and I was thinking she might bounce off of this VWAP. This is just a low on the hour here. I think, yeah, 90. This is a low from this low candle. That's where that VWAP comes into place. But I was really thinking if we lose this one, if we lose this white VWAP, we're probably going to come down and leapfrog to another low at 90K. It was placed on the 90K low candle. I'm pretty sure it was 90K. Yeah. So this low here, you're coming up to that VWAP now. But I posted this in Flopping Gropers VIP Discord, this potential leapfrog from VWAP to VWAP. I think I have it pulled up. Yeah, here it is. I posted it right here, a potential leapfrog down to the low on the 1 hour. More confident in the leapfrog down to this VWAP if we did lose that first white VWAP and we have lost it. You have a lot of confluence down at this other VWAP, the leapfrog VWAP play that I had posted. You got a spider line. Looks like this is the range low. You got your value area low from our previous range here. You've already lost your point of control, and this is what happens. You come up, point of control, value area low, value area high. Probably back down to the value area low at 102. And there's a lot of confluence here at the 102 to hold as support. Not only this 30-minute order block, you go down. You got the 786. Now you could just wick, right? We could just see some big old wicks down and we hold the golden pocket while just wicking down to these levels. But if I had to guess, we're gonna candlestick and we'll look to bounce off this order block in this 786 along with this low 1 hour VWAP from 90K. You got your spider line. So if we're looking for a bounce, because more than likely, usually these VWAP leapfrogs, they play out, right? You lose this VWAP, you come down to this VWAP. You gain this VWAP, you come up to this VWAP, okay? So they usually play out. They're a thing for a reason. And looks like, what is this, the 15? I'm liking the 30 minutes so far. Looks like we'll continue. You'll catch a little bounce, obviously, off the support. But the daily, I'm pretty sure the daily just pinched the red dot, or is pinching it now. And these are just divs. Money flow is coming out. I feel like we're gonna have a little leg down here.
If you love iPhone,
because now we just got all these divs coming
privacy and security you
to
expect from
fruition. It's been a minute. There was a couple of them I thought was gonna take us down. Now on the 7-day, we are printing a green dot. Not quite on the weekly yet, but it'll be divergences. It'll be a bearish divergence whether we keep going up, because we've already made higher highs, right? And momentum's probably not gonna make a higher anchor wave. Back to the 1 hour. Now we could be putting in a new anchor wave, because I was looking at this wave for bull divs, right? But it looks like we're gonna keep coming down. That money flow is coming out drastically. So even if we do bounce here, I would expect lower lows. We really need a hold if you want if you want to see higher prices. you want to hold 102. You definitely want to hold 102, because then once you lose those levels, let's see what kind of VWAPs we have down here. You have the weekly, okay, the week 1 of 2024. This was the first week of the year VWAP. You got your New Year VWAP, so first day of the year. You got strong, good order block down here, around 100K. But we start losing 100K, I feel like that's, we lose these 3 VWAPs, then you can expect some good moves down. Probably to the 90s, to this 80s. What is this, a quarter 3 VWAP. You got a quarter 3 VWAP here that probably will get nailed. If you got a spider line corresponding right there with it. Okay, looks like you are going to put in a new anchor wave on the 1 hour. Looks like the leapfrog setup is coming to fruition. I wanted to wait a little bit before. I wanted a little bit more data on this VWAP, but I don't think I'll have the time. And see, you're getting good bull divs on this golden pocket on the 30-minute, but that money flow is still way out of there. RSIs are crashing down. They haven't come together yet. Let's look at some higher time frames for a second. 2 hour, oh yeah. Money flow just come out on the 2 hour. Your VWAP shooting straight down. Plenty of room to go down on that momentum. 3 hours probably going to be looking about the same. Yeah, money's coming out on all these higher time frames. And if there ain't no money in it, she's not going to go higher. So we're probably in the cool off stage, right? Probably going to see that correction. And because what was it? What was on the daily? We lose the 103 where we're at now. It's a pretty low volume. Let's get some more in. This is where we are now. There's that little gap that's going to shoot you straight down to about 102, 105. Once we start losing that 103 level, okay, that little volume gap right there. And then she'll probably, if we start turning the daily into bearish market structure, and we lose key levels at like 87, if we lose the quarter 3 VWAP from 2024, it's gonna be a quick move back down to, I'm gonna call the quarter 2 VWAP. Call the quarter 2 VWAP at 77K. Now I've been thinking since I think here, that's where we was going, and I've been wrong. But now with all this divergence, all this money flow coming out, diversion on the money flow and your momentum, you can probably expect Bitcoin to start bleeding out a little bit. So that's the daily. Let's go back to that 30-minute, because we just had a candle close on that not too long ago. See more bull divs around this golden pocket. Now you come down to this VWAP and you're holding with bull divs. You can leapfrog it. You can leapfrog it right up to the previous day VWAP. I need to update mine. Mine's still right here. But you can update it, or you can leapfrog it back to your previous day. Or really, I would start at your daily. You know, you got take profits all along the way. If I would have went into this short that I gave at 104, then all my take profits, the first VWAP would have been take profits. This golden pocket, take profits. Probably close a good bit of the trade at the golden pocket with bear divs coming in the way they are. Money flow still not looking good, so I'd hold it. Stop loss to entry. And then we're trying to hit this last little low VWAP on the 1 hour to close most of the trade and just let the rest ride with or stop loss and profit. Now she probably still has room to go. I feel like she is going to come down and leapfrog to this VWAP here. She could even leapfrog to these previous VWAPs, some crucial support to hold the 100K level. Okay, but it looks like she might bounce up here a little bit and reject and keep going lower as your momentum's going higher on your 30-minute. Your 1 hour is probably going to put in a new anchor wave. So then you can start playing your trigger waves off of that. The volatility, I mean, she's not as bad as she was. I saw one on the 5-minute. I saw, where was it? Right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. So it was right here. And man, it looked like you could have longed this thing. And anyone who did long this thing, it said it's gonna fucking dump. I think my wife. Hold on. Well, that'll do it for me, guys. I think we have more downside. Looking to leapfrog to 102. Y'all have a good one. God bless. I'm out.